everyone, what's going on? It's Enda and welcome to my review. During this video, we will give you a run through this product of exactly what it is and how it works. And now, a comprehensive tutorial and bonuses by creator. Don't forget to click the link on the below for more info.
Do you know the fastest way to make $400 per day with ClickBank, $900 with Warrior, and $500 with JVZoo? It's simple, by cloning someone else's affiliate commissions. And doing it in just 2 clicks. Click 1. Replace my affiliate links with your affiliate links. Click 2. Blast your cloned campaigns to billions of free buyers. And that's it. Now here's the great news. You can do it all in as little as 60 seconds. How, you ask? Presenting Commission Cloner, a new software that gives you the most profitable affiliate campaigns in 2021. Then lets you blast them out to over 2 billion free traffic buyers. With over 2.5 billion buyers on tap right from the app. So you can instantly click once to clone my campaigns, click again to replace my links with yours, then plug into the traffic sources for unlimited free buyers. And repeat today, tomorrow, and every day of 2021. And without having to worry about buying traffic, setting up websites, products, lists, or any other techie stuff. Because all the hard work has been done for you. It's like you cloned a 6-figure affiliate business all with my affiliate promotions. But with my links replaced with your affiliate links. So from now on, you're only ever launching affiliate campaigns that are proven and plugging them into dozens of free traffic pools. So, are you in? Okay, great. Now here's what this is all about. Hi, Chris here. I'm a 6-figure super affiliate. And today I'd like you to become a commission cloner. Because for the first time ever, a single all-in-one app now means my free traffic becomes your free traffic. And my affiliate links become your affiliate links. See, this new app lets you clone my most profitable campaigns, so you get to keep 100% of the commissions while doing 0% of the work. Then it lets you clone free traffic like me, so you can plug your done-for-you campaigns into 2 billion free traffic buyers. In fact, it pretty much hands you everything needed to make money by doing all the hard work for you, with everything preloaded inside a single app. It's the easiest way to get free traffic and commissions in 2021 by copying what I do. All you need to do is replace my affiliate links with yours. Choose from the free traffic sources and click Clone, so you can copy and clone what I'm doing. And without having to invest the time and money that super affiliates like me invest daily. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Presenting Commission Cloner, a new 2-click software app that's the world's first done-for-you instant traffic blaster, with the ability to blast your affiliate links to every free traffic source on the planet in 1 click. And yes, this works for average people. In fact, even if you're brand new, don't have a product or list, and even if you don't have a website, you don't need one because everything from A to Z is done for you and 100% preloaded inside this cloud-based app. In fact, all you need to create your affiliate campaign and start getting traffic is click 4 buttons. And no, you don't need to write a word of content, create videos, or even worry about traffic. It's all done for you and just 4 clicks away. With every free traffic sources built right into this done-for-you platform. Just look at how easy it is with this brand new app. First, tell the software where you want to send traffic to. It could be any link, website, or affiliate link. In fact, to make things real easy for you, I've included all of my most profitable campaigns right now. These are the same offers I recommend you promote to make commissions like me. After all, as a ClickBank Elite Super Affiliate, I know what sells. That's why I personally tested every top offer into the app to maximize your profits. Step 2. Steal my done-for-you campaigns. Take it from someone who's been making money for years. The campaign you create is very important, but it's also time-consuming. Who has the time to write headlines, call to actions, and format images for dozens of traffic sources? Ugh! That's why we preloaded done-for-you campaigns for every niche and affiliate program. With banners, headlines, and text, all done for you. So simply click once to steal one of my campaigns. Edit and tweak if you like, swapping in a new image, headline, or video, or simply let me do all the work. And just like that, our incredible software has built an entire campaign for you around your website or affiliate program, filled with content, creative, headline, call to action, video, and of course, your affiliate link. To pay a top marketer like me to create your campaign would cost $5,000 or more. But they're all preloaded into this powerful cloud-based app, with dozens of my most profitable done-for-you campaigns fully customizable and just a click away. Step 3. Click to get free traffic. Now for the fun part, getting traffic. This is normally the hardest part. But with Commission Cloner, all you need to do is click once to share your site to every free traffic source on the planet, with over 2.5 billion buyers on tap in seconds. It's the combination of my free traffic sources with my proven hand-selected affiliate programs that makes my one-stop software app so powerful. Literally everything you need to start getting traffic and commissions is done for you, so you can stop guessing how to profit and simply clone what already works. Simply log into the software, click a few times to clone your campaign, then click again to launch it into all the billion buyer traffic pools. Then turn around and do it again and again for all the affiliate programs I've included. That's over $30,000 of ClickBank, JVZoo, and WarriorPlus commissions built right into the software. This is your chance to become a super affiliate by leveraging all of our hard work. And yes, if you're an advanced marketer, you can edit my templates too. For example, replacing your affiliate link with another website URL or other affiliate link. That means when you've exhausted my done-for-you campaigns, you can tweak them to promote anything you like. Your license includes full customization rights. And yes, you'll always own 100% of the traffic and get to keep 100% of the profits. This is the solution for affiliates and beginners hungry for traffic and sales. Literally everything you need to start making the daily sales and commissions you've always dreamed of is done for you by Commission Cloner. Can you follow our 3 steps and click 4 times? Are you frustrated at the old ways of getting traffic? Do you want to just clone the campaigns of a super affiliate? Are you ready to try something truly new? Then yes, it can work for you. As long as you have a browser to run the app, you can dive into the free traffic pool whenever you feel like a cash dip. You could be making